Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to make this beautiful crochet flower bouquet keychain in detail. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. For this project we will need 4 colors of yarn, a scissors, crochet hook, keychain hook and the crochet needle and gun glue. First we will make back wrap. Here I am using brown yarn. Hold yarn like this, make a slip knot. And then make 20 chains. Continue making chains. After that, chain 1 for the next row and start making single crochet stitches. Insert yarn into the chain 2 chain loop on the hook. Pull yarn from 2 loops. Remember to make one chain at the beginning of every row. Continue making single crochet rows until you have a total of 8 rows. Here is my 8 rows complete. Lock it at the end. Cut the yarn and hide the leftover yarn on both sides. Now my bouquet base is ready. Let's make the leaf. I am using green yarn for this. Hold yarn like this. Make a slip knot and then make 10 chains on top. Chain 1 on top, make 1 single crochet stitches in next 2 chain. Then make 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches. 1 triple double crochet stitches in next chain. Then make again 2 double crochet in next 2 chain. Then make again 1 single crochet in next 2 chain. Here is complete one side of the leaves. Repeat the same pattern on the other side and complete the leaf. Lock in the end. Leave a little extra yarn. We will use it to cover the wooden stick to make the stem. Now take your wooden stick and cover it nicely with the green yarn. Use gun glue to cover the wooden stick with green yarn. Our stem and leaf is ready to use. Next, make the tulip flower. I am using purple yarn for this. Hold yarn like this. Make a slip knot. Next, make 5 chains on top. Insert it into the chain 1 and make a circle. Chain 1 on top. Make 6 single crochet inside the circle. Then slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. For the next round, make chain 1 on top and make 2 single crochet in every stitch around. Then slip stitch to close it. Continue making 2 single crochet until you complete this round. From the third round onward, make 1 chain on top and continue with 1 single crochet stitches for a total of 7 rounds. Lock it at the end, cut the yarn and leave some extra yarn for stitching. Now add a little bit of wool inside the flower to give it a fluffy shape. Using your crochet needle, stitch the bottom to close and form the tulip shape, just like I am showing in this video. Once it's ready, cut the extra yarn. Now use your gun glue to attach the tulip flower on top of the stem. After that, glue the stem to the brown bouquet base. Attach a keychain hook on the top of the bouquet. Finally, take some white yarn and make a tiny bow to tie around the bouquet. It adds such a cute finishing touch. After that, your crochet flower bouquet keychain is ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and share, and of course subscribe for more creative crochet ideas. Allah Hafiz.